question yourself this. Why are they using Vietnam? Why are they using Asia? October 20th, 2005. Look at all these organizations involved. Executive order. 2005 was President Bush. The government in Vietnam is showing increasing commitment to deal seriously with AI. AI is the level of direct involvement in dealing with the potential AI pandemic has risen to the office of Prime Minister, and the chain of command has been streamlined. Secretary of Health and Human Services Michael Levitt and let me show you something. 30,000 injected guns was highlighted during U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA Under Secretary James Butler visit. The embassy and consulate general held AI town hall meetings for American citizens. Okay, AI. There have been no human AI cases since August 29th. Now let's look at the people's names that is involved. Bird flu patients. Okay, here it is. National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, Director Anthony Fauci. $50 million bird states has vaccinated. Excuse me. According to Vietnam News, the GVN has spent VND 700 billion USD 44.3 million for the national vaccination program and has vaccinated 50 million birds to date. Why the fuck are they vaccinating birds? Now this should concern you. The birds they vaccinated, were they the birds that we ate? For domestic poultry and ducks, large-scale vaccination campaign for domestic poultry and ducks. They vaccinate your food. This is how other people get diseases. This is a long thing.